Welcome to the episode number 4. It's your boy Harsh. It's time for Radar Chart. Radar. So, radar chart is used to compare two or more items on various features, right? PUBG people, come on. You know it. This tool is great. Used by some of the elites, okay? The one and only God, M.S.D. have used this, okay, to make a winning team. Respect. This lady from Mumbai have used it, allegedly, okay, to find a perfect guy for some 34-year young woman. Hashtag impossible. Hey Aparna, move on. He does not exist. And of course, Indian parents use this every time. Arey beta, few of your friends are not good, huh? They play video games, they don't study. They even fail the exams. Stay away from them, okay? But dad, what about my other friends? They smoke, they drink. Beta, they got 98 in maths. 98. Without further ado, let's plot the chart. Hey guys, welcome to the example for the radar chart, okay? Let's just say I'm the Seema from Mumbai and I want to find a perfect candidate for Aparna. Okay, so these are the three perfect candidates that we have found, Amar, Akbar and Anthony, okay? And these are the qualities that they're gonna be measured against for the Aparna, okay? So it's kind, the qualities are kind, rich, smart, arrogant, jealous and disrespectful. Okay, so basically you can see these three categories are positive, these three categories are negative. Okay, so when we're gonna plot the chart, we will see that these people, these three guys, okay, on which side they're gonna be more leaning, okay, on the positive side or the negative side. Okay, so in this way the radar chart is very important. I mean, you can literally in just a little glance you can understand that who is better and who is not. Okay, cool. We're gonna select the whole data. Okay, we're gonna go to insert. Look at this symbol. Okay, radar chart is in this symbol. This is the radar chart. Boom, we have the chart, right? You can see it, right? Blue is Amar, orange is Akbar and gray is Anthony. Man, let's just change the color of cool. Now we can see it. See, from very small glance you can literally see the green, the Anthony is leaning more towards the left side, okay, which is disrespectful, jealous, arrogant. Blue and orange is more toward the right side, which is positive side, kind, rich, smart. So it's simple. You can literally see that Amar and Akbar are the better choice as a life partner for Aparna, and if we completely follow the data, you can see that Amar is the choice. Okay, so this is the radar chart, man. Try it yourself, man. And yeah, one more pro tip: always change the data on the scale 0 to 1 or 0 to 10 or 0 to 100. Okay, so this whole data is out of 100. Okay, so we can plot it. Suppose one of the data is 120, so we gotta make it 120 as 100 base, right? You got it, what I'm saying. Everything should be on the scale of 0 to 1, 0 to 10 or 0 to 100. You gotta change it first so that it's more beneficial. You can then edit a lot of things, delete the scale, do as you want. So this is it, we're back. So now you know the importance, right? Next time, please use this chart before giving out loans or selecting a life partner in one shot. Hey Karan, you sure you're into woman? You sure? Your last name is Grover and not Johar. You sure? Cool. That is it for today, guys. Next time, in next episode, we will learn about the histogram and Pareto charts. Okay? It's gonna be good. Trust me. See you next time. Peace.